Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make really big gummy bears. We'll start by gathering our simple ingredients, including unflavored gelatin, your favorite flavored drink mix, and a touch of corn syrup for that perfect chewiness. You'll also need a large silicone mold, ideally shaped like a giant gummy bear. This easy method ensures a delicious, oversized treat with minimal fuss. Let's get started on this fun kitchen project. First, bloom your unflavored gelatin in a small amount of cold water. Let it sit for about 5 minutes until it becomes soft and spongy. Meanwhile, gently heat your chosen flavored drink mix in a saucepan over low heat. Once warm, add the bloomed gelatin and the corn syrup to the pan. Stir continuously until everything is completely dissolved and smooth, ensuring no lumps remain. This creates the perfect base for your giant gummy.
Hey everyone, if you're finding these giant gummy bear tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more fun content. Quick recommendation. On another note, upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly, making cleanup a breeze while you're busy making giant treats. Check the description for the link and other amazing deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
Now, carefully pour the warm, liquid gummy mixture into your large silicone mold. Make sure the mold is placed on a flat, stable surface, ready for refrigeration. Once filled, transfer the mold to your refrigerator. It's crucial to chill your giant gummy for at least 6 hours, but for the best results and firmest texture, leaving it overnight is highly recommended. Patience is key for a perfectly set, enormous gummy bear. Once fully chilled and firm, it's time for the exciting reveal. Gently flex the silicone mold around the edges to help loosen your giant gummy bear. Then, carefully invert the mold onto a clean surface. Your enormous, homemade gummy bear should pop right out, perfectly formed and ready for its grand debut. Get ready to impress your friends with this colossal candy creation. It's truly a sweet spectacle.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.